And let me take you straight to Sambhal in Uttar Pradesh, where after close to 50 years break, a hiatus of 46 long years, the Kartikeya Mahadev temple in Khaggu Sarai, Sambhal, witnessed vibrant Holi celebrations on the 13th of March. The temple had remained closed since 1978. And why? Because there were horrific communal riots and Hindus were forced to leave. They were compelled to leave. The temple was shut down. It reopened now in December 2024, and for the first time after a gap of close to 50 years, there was massive, watch those images, significant Holi celebrations. And what a moment for locals in the area who celebrated Holi. It's a big statement of intent that has also been made. Remember what Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath told us at the India Today conclave. He said, we will take what is ours. The government is very clear, and the significance of Sambhal, a very holy Hindu shrine, a tirth of the Kalki Avatar temple of Lord Vishnu. We get you more in this report.
Vibrant Holi celebrations in Sambhal. Festival of Colors at the Kartikeya Mahadev temple after a 46-year break. Members from various social and Hindu organizations actively participated in the celebrations. The participants lauded the efforts of the police and local authorities in ensuring a secure environment. In a bid to ensure peace during the overlapping festivities of Holi and the Friday prayers in the month of Ramzan, the UP government took many measures. 10 mosques, including the Shahi Jama Masjid, were covered with tarpaulin to prevent any disturbances.
Sambhal administration has tightened the security on the ground. Currently, I am here behind the Shahi Jama Masjid, which became the epicenter of violence in the month of November last year. And as you can see in the visuals, you can see Uttar Pradesh police personnels, RRF as well as PAC police personnel are deployed on the ground to maintain peace.
The police also conducted a flag march in Sambhal, where clashes occurred in November last year over a court-ordered survey of the Jama Masjid.
As you can see behind me in the visuals, currently a flag march is taking place, and ASP as well as circle officers are taking this flag march, and you can see in the visual the Vajravahan is also patrolling on the streets of Sambhal, and this is like a warning for the elements, those who will try to break law and order in the city.
Meanwhile, the ASI team carried out measurements and assessments ahead of the planned whitewashing and renovation work of Shahi Jama Masjid.
ये ASI की टीम आई है आज मेरठ से, और वो यहाँ पर ये नाप तोल कर रही है, देख रही है कहाँ पर क्या कैसे पुताई होनी है, कैसे करानी है, सारा एस्टिमेट बना रही है, नपाई तुलाई करा रही है, और हम पूरा सहयोग कर रहे हैं जैसे कि आप लोग देख रहे हैं, और कहीं कोई परेशानी नहीं है, पुताई बहुत जल्दी शुरू हो जाएगी.
The successful and peaceful celebration of Holi at the Kartikeya Mahadev temple after nearly half a century highlights the local community's commitment to harmony. With Anmol Bali in Sambhal, Bureau Report, India Today.
And I quickly want to take you to Sambhal, where my colleague Anmol Bali now joins us with more. Anmol, we saw these images and we saw the singing of Aaj Baraj Mein Holi Hai. It just sounded marvelous. What's the situation right now? Is it calm? Is it peaceful? Why the deployment of so many police personnel?
Gaurav, currently I am here at the Shankar Chowk, and I'll show you two visuals of Sambhal. On one of my side, I'll show you hustling, bustling market because only one day is left for the mega Holi celebration. But on the other hand, the administration has also tightened the security measures in the city. And I'll also show you the other visuals where they have deployed heavy number of police forces on the ground. This is Shankar Chowk, one of the main area of Sambhal. And today it was also seen that today police held a flag march on the streets of Sambal on the main route, where we will see tomorrow the holy procession will pass. They have deployed RRF as well as PAC, Uttar Pradesh police on the ground to maintain peace, law and order, and they have also requested peace and harmony. They are talking with the peace committees. Even they have covered the walls of the mosque, not only Shahi Jama Masjid, but 9 other mosques which will come on the way of the main holy procession. All those walls are now covered. So you can see in the visuals, 2 visuals, one of hustling bustling market and other of the security forces being deployed to control the situation if something arises. I'll also show you they're keeping eye via CCTV cameras, they're keeping eye via drones, they're also monitoring the social media. They have detained several people, those who were trying to break law and order in the city. And while talking to India Today, ACP explained that soon they will initiate action against those elements, those who will break law and order or will try to hamper.
But
peace and
Anmol, I
harmony
want to understand from you, and you know, what are your police sources telling you? Is it the first time that masjid, and you're telling us that there are about 10-12 mosques in the area where tarpaulin is being put on the wall outside. Is this being done for the first time, or is it almost a standard operating procedure year after year?
Gaurav, today it was seen that a team of ASI came to Shahi Jama Masjid, and while talking to a Zafar of Shahi Jama Masjid, Zafar Ali, who is the president of Jama Masjid committee, explained us that this is not the first time that they have covered the walls of masjid with plastic sheets. Last year also they did like this, and they have been doing this for last many years to protect walls of the masjid. But yeah, when we talked with various of the locals, like some people were preparing for Holika Dahan just few steps away from the Shahi Jama Masjid. When we asked them, is this the first time that you are burning or you are going to burn the Holika in this tight security, amid tight security, they said yes, this is very first time they are witnessing security like this. So locals have a different opinion to the tight situation of security in the city.
Okay.